All right, I got the pool all closed up for winter, and I got my new pool cover on here finally. And I don't know, not a real lot to say about this pool cover, but I don't know, it looks like it's gonna last hopefully quite a few years. It does have a nice high scrim count. If you've ever picked out a pool cover, that's kind of what you look for. I'll put here on the screen what the exact scrim count is. This is a higher scrim count than my last one, so hopefully it will last me a little longer. And it does seem like, I think I didn't count how many grommets my last one had, but I think this one has more grommets because I actually hang like little bottles around my pool, and I need to get like 8 or 9 more bottles to hang around my pool the way I used to hang them. So hopefully that would maybe keep your pool cover on your pool better since there's more grommets. I don't know if that would really help or not, but it seems like a nice pool cover. I don't know, there's not much to a pool cover other than, like I said, if you get that higher scrim count. So it sucks that summer's over and winter's coming. But thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and leave me a comment down below if you have any questions about this. I just ordered the one that was for a 24-foot round pool, and it fits fine. It has like, I think, a 2-foot coverage around the whole thing. Now I put mine on a little different right here at my deck, and if you are looking for one, I will put a link to this same pool cover down in my description.